Welcome to MS Craftshop. I was a bit tardy with my social media activity recently. As I mentioned before, there was a good reason for that. I was preparing something new that I hope you will like. And finally, it's ready. I'm pleased to introduce my collection of scrapbooking papers called Timeless Moments. I was planning to finish the project by the end of January. Unfortunately, due to some unforeseen technical issues, I couldn't complete it in time. But I will not be stopped. So, here we are. The collection is available in two different sizes, 6 by 6 inches and 8 by 8 inches, printed on high-quality 200 grams paper. Each set includes 40 sheets of double-sided paper, to be more precise 4 sheets per design, and 4 sheets of one-sided extras. These sets are exactly the same, so I will present only one of them. The collection is universal, romantic but not too sweet, and sprinkled with coffee flavor but not too bitter. Blended into the everyday surroundings, intertwined with greenery, plants and natural structures made of wood and brick, and inspired by love, friendship and the beauty of nature. Papers are perfect for scrapbooking, card making, art journaling and other papercraft. As you see, some designs are more pinkish and romantic. In contrast, others are more brownish with coffee as a main decorative element. While they may appear as designs from two different collections, they match together perfectly, making an interesting contrast. I like it. I think it makes the collection much more exciting and gives you many more opportunities to create fabulous projects and experiment with compositions. The designs with green color and textures of damaged walls, wood and brick make it more natural and connect the collection to the everyday surroundings. Four sheets of extras with tags, cards and flowers, and rich collections with additional decorative elements. I prepared an additional extra set consisting of 11 one-sided sheets printed on 200 grams A4 sized paper. On the cover, information about 250 grams paperweight appeared by mistake. However, this is a very high quality paper. When I compared this paper to others of the same weight, this one seems much thicker. In the extras set, you will find various elements such as cards, tags, flowers, leaves, plants, cookies, balloons, coffee seeds and other ornaments perfectly matching the collection. Sentiments referring to many occasions, thank yous, birthdays, invitations, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Grandmother's Day, and more. Papers and extras are already available for purchase on my website and Etsy online stores in both paper and digital forms. If you buy digital papers, I suggest printing them on a minimum 190 grams paperweight for scrapbooking and card making. For journaling, the lighter paper may suffice. I only want to mention that paper collections are available in limited quantities. So, I sharpen the scissors, get to work, and cannot wait to start working with papers. Stay tuned and see you in the following video.